a friend of mine that I want to make plans with for the end of the month. He's always telling me about how his money gets finished before the month even ends. And I'm like, and most of the time too, he's like, he doesn't know where the money is going. And I'm like, why don't you know where your money is going? You should know what is happening to your money at the various times. So myself and my team decided to create this app known as PocketGuard. PocketGuard is a financial management app made from Flutter. PocketGuard, the main purpose of PocketGuard is to help individuals such as Kweku, other students, and young professionals manage their money more effectively. In today's world, many people struggle with financial management because they do not keep track of their daily spending. Small expenses such as transportation, food, subscriptions, and other personal needs can accumulate over time without proper monitoring. We identified this problem and designed PocketGuard as a simple and user-friendly solution that allows users to record their income and expenses, monitor their available balance, create budgets, and save towards specific goals. Unlike unlike the traditional methods where people use notebooks or spreadsheets, PocketGuard provides a faster and convenient digital approach. Users can access their financial information from their mobile phones at various places and at different times. Our goal was not only to create a functional application, but also to design an application with a simple interface that anyone can easily understand. The application focuses on three main areas. We have tracking the money flow, controlling spending, and encouraging saving habits. This is just the opening of the introduction of the app. My fellow team members will tell you more about them. We'll give you an in-depth review of the app. Thank you very much.
So I go by the name Abdullah Mustafa, and today I'll be here to speak about the user interface and the overall design of PocketGuard. So from what my colleague just said, we built this application not specifically for Kwame, rather for everyone, since it came to our observation of how difficult it is for people of this generation manage money. So when designing this application, we focus mainly on simplicity and ease of use because finance applications should not be difficult or complicated. The application starts with a login and registration system, as you can see on the screen. New users can create an account while existing users can log in and access their dashboard. After logging in, users are taken to the home screen. This is the main dashboard of the application where users can immediately view their financial information. The dashboard displays the user's available balance using a balance card. This gives a quick overview of his current financial position. So we also included quick action sections that allow users to easily access important functions such as adding incomes, as you can see on the screen, adding expenses, viewing budgets, and managing savings goals. The design uses a clean color scheme, which is green as a primary color because green is commonly associated with money, growth, and financial success. We also use cards, icons, spacing, and rounded components to create a modern mobile banking experience inspired by applications such as the mobile money and banking platforms. Our aim was to make PocketGuard visually appealing while keeping navigation simple for users. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm James Nikwate and I'll explain the main features in PocketGuard. So the first major feature in PocketGuard is the income and expense tracking. With this, users can easily record their transactions by entering the amount, a short description, the category whether it's income or an expense. For instance, they can record income like their salary or allowance, and expenses like food, transportation, school bills, and all that. This helps users keep track of where their money is coming from and where it's going and all that. Yes. Another important feature is the balance monitoring system. Instead of calculating your money and everything manually, users can simply see their current available balance, yes, on the PocketGuard app. Also, the PocketGuard includes a budgeting feature where users can set spending limits for different categories. It actually helps them avoid overspending. Lastly, the app has a savings goal feature. Users can create savings targets such as saving for a laptop and monitor their progress over time. This feature actually helps students a lot. This feature actually will help students a lot. In all, PocketGuard is designed not just to record financial transactions, but also to help users build better financial habits. Thank you.
Now we are about to discuss the technical implementation of the PocketGuard. The application was developed using the Flutter end art. Flutter was chosen because it allows developers to create modern cross-platform mobile applications using a single code base. The application follows a structured architecture where different parts of the system are separated into modules, screens, services, and widgets. The screen folder contains the different pages of the application, such as login, registration, home dashboard, and transaction screens. The model folder contains the data structure used by the application, including the transaction model. The service folder handles the important operations such as database management, and financial calculations. For data storage, we implemented the SQLite using the SQFlite package. This allows transaction data to be stored locally on the device. We also created reusable widgets such as balanced card, budget cards, saving cards, and transaction files. This improves code organization and makes future modification easier. Overall, the technical design focuses on maintainability, scalability, and a better development experience.
Finally, I will discuss on the challenges we faced and future improvements. So, for the packets guards, it uses a local SQL database to store a transaction records. Each transaction contains information such as the transaction ID, the amount, the title, the type, and the date. So for use, this database allow user financial records the remaining balance even after closing the application. During this development, we faced several challenges, include development issues, databases configuration problems, and adapting Flutter packages to work with newer versions. So however, these challenges help us to improve the understanding of mobile application development and project collaboration. Although the Pocket Guard is currently functional, there are several improvements we plan to add next year, which is in the future. So this includes the advanced financial analysis, notification of spending limits, graphical reports, and the integration of mobile money platform. To sum up everything, the Pocket provide a simple but effective solution for personal financial management. It helps users to track spendings, monitor their balance